So when you first come in, you're going to come over and you've got two switches here. One is the electrical on the back wall, which is camera power, and then the booth power is the computer and everything else. Just those power on everything. And then when you first come in, won't be anything up. Windows, the computer will just be starting up. And so I'll go ahead and X out so you can see. This is what it's going to look like. So we'll open these two things, OBS Studio. There's our camera, Easyworship, and there's Easyworship. So to start the stream, we'll hit start streaming right here, and it's connected to YouTube. We can also start recording at the same time if we want. Let's talk about Easyworship. So in Easyworship, over here on the left is our schedule. That's basically in line with our bulletin every morning. We can drag stuff into this space, and from top to bottom, that's our service. Down at the bottom is our media tray, is what it's called. And in the media tray, we have tabs here for songs. We have scriptures, media, and inside media, we have videos, images, and other things. We have presentations, which we don't have much in here. We can click plus to build one from scratch. Click beside it to import a PowerPoint file from a flash drive or something like that. If we already have something in here, like an announcements, we can right-click and edit the presentation. And you can see here we've got two tabs, and so I'm going to click the slides tab so I can see it better. I can come under here and I can hit the plus sign and add a new one. And I can go to media. I can pull in, drag in a video, an image, or all kinds of different things. I can add text over it. I can add anything to one of these slides. And then when I'm done, I just click apply and OK. We're not going to save it right now. And I can drag that in. So all of these I'm just dragging in. The themes tab, by the way, this announcements is already set up with a 4-second transition between the slides and to loop. So this would be a great one to edit for that purpose. When I go to themes, I've got song themes, scripture themes, or presentation themes. I'm going to go to song themes. And these are all the ones that are built in here. I can build one from scratch. I can change one of these by right-clicking and edit song theme. But if I want to use one of these, all I have to do is right-click and set as default song theme. You can see the check means it already is. And then all of the songs that I bring in, after that will have that theme behind it. And up here at the top right are our masking buttons. So logo puts our logo over it. Black puts a black cover over whatever I'm doing. And then clear will remove the words but leave the background. When you add, let's talk about song select. If I search here and I don't have a song in my library, which all these are just public domain songs that come with it, I can click down here on song select and then search for the song. Of course, it's going to make me log into my account, which we don't have yet, but then it'll show them all in here. And there'll be a button over here that says, once we find it, there's a button called import. We import it, and then it'll be in our song list, and then we can go back and find it. So basically we have to go to the Song Select store and buy it or select it. We've already subscribed, but select it, and it'll bring it into our library. From then on, we'll have it.